Hi, today we are going to learn how to make the magic ring using the chain 2 method. This is an alternate technique used to make the magic ring. Originally, as I've already shown you, we make the magic ring this way. You put your thread, the first half of your thread under two of your fingers, make an X like this, take your hook, go under the bottom of the X, pull the top, twist a little, go under and bring this yarn under this, and this is your magic ring made. However, there's another way where you can achieve the magic ring. Let me show you how to do that. In case you opt for the chain 2 method, all you need to do is to make first a slip knot. You will put your yarn on your finger like this, go underneath and pull it on top. Then take the bottom yarn and pull it on top. This way you have made a slip knot. Go put your yarn hook inside and start chaining. You will make a chain, two chains. You will make two chains. Now, if your pattern reads like in row 1 you need 6 stitches, you will put 6 stitches in the first chain. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This gives you that magic ring effect, and then you can obviously pull it just like you did and it will close. Let me show you how to do it again. All you need to do is make a slip knot and chain 2. 1 and 2, and then put your row 1 stitches in the chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That is how you make a magic ring by chaining 2. Happy crocheting. Bye.